Hello and welcome muli sa aking kusina. Gagawa tayo ng quick and easy ice scramble. And here are the following ingredients. About 4 cups of crushed ice, 1 cup of evaporated milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, red food coloring, banana flavoring, about 4 cups of crushed ice, 1 cup of evaporated milk, about 4 tablespoons ng sugar, red food coloring, banana flavoring. Para sa ating toppings, pwede tayong gumamit ng chocolate syrup or strawberry syrup and whipped cream. Ang lahat ng ingredients at exact measurements, makikita nyo ang link sa description box. Pakicheck na lang. About 4 cups of crushed ice, 1 cup of evaporated milk, 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar, few drops of red food coloring, half a teaspoon of banana extract flavoring. Para sa ating toppings, pwede tayong gumamit ng chocolate syrup or strawberry syrup or yung whipped cream. Para sa lahat ng ingredients at exact measurements, makikita nyo ang link sa description box. Pakicheck na lang. Ang ating first step, dito sa isang mixing bowl na maliit, ilagay natin yung ating evaporated milk. At yung ating sugar. Itong sugar, depende na lang to sa taste nyo. Adjust nyo na lang. Then yung ating banana flavoring. Depende din ito kung depende sa brand. Kung ganitong brand ang gagamitin nyo, McCormick, matapang ito. So, maybe less than half a teaspoon. And maybe another half a teaspoon ng food coloring. Then, haluin lang natin hanggang ma-dissolve yung ating sugar. Ayan, tunaw na yung ating sugar. Pwede na ito. Set this aside. Itong ating ice, pwede natin itong gamitan ng blender or hand mixer. Ang gagamitin ko ngayon, hand mixer lang para konti lang ang hugasin. Isama na natin yung mixture. Yan. Then, mix lang natin using a hand mixer. Yan. Using a hand mixer, mixer lang natin. Well mixed na. So, tikman nyo na lang kung okay na sa panlasa nyo or kung kailangan nyo pang magdagdag ng sugar. And this one is ready na. Ito na ang ating quick and easy scramble, ice scramble. So, brings back the elementary days natin, no? So, sana magustuhan nyo itong recipe na ito and share it with your friends. Hanggang sa susunod kong video, magkita-kita tayo. Salamat! Bye!